Hello, hello. Today we are playing some. No, you won't even hear this part. So why am I talking? Anyways, today we're gonna with glitches and stuff and Teardown. Let's play sandbox, obviously, and go to like all these maps. They're pretty good, but I want one you can just like hang out. That's where featured mods comes in. They're really bad. The miniature world's very good experience. Do I have driving it? Naples glitches and don't like the dog companion that much. Okay, so here we go. Miniature world. Let's play. I'm gonna show you that I found with the cars very recently, like last video, and I don't get it. I kinda get how the glitch is acting, but they don't get it. Get it. Like, yeah, my game does lag a lot. Here we are, my favorite city. So, on the ones I like to do with free press, yeah, scrolling off of it. Go back onto it. Yeah. So still makes us dark atmosphere. I don't know what to say, but that's pretty cool. Already. Here, let me deploy some cover, because I'm important. Oh, yeah, you can turn small with that shift. That was control. I need to crouch down and turn. Why am I this small? Yeah, see, look, I can crouch down and be small with everybody. Um, Here we go. Here's my cover. Right now, that I'm placing down. Cause nobody should know this. We need a car. So let's spawn car. Let's C-A-R. Okay. Car. I want a car. See, see, vehicle. Car. Cars. Car. This one will work. Enter the vehicle. Grab the vehicle. Oh. You might grab shotgun. Boom. Car. Tiny car. Can I get a tiny car? No. I want to get in tiny car. Tiny car. Okay, I'll stop. You can't make that up. That's like it's a glitch. One more item. Item you can grab. Break everything. Okay, but today there were some glitches. Okay, there's a glitch. What was it? Prime. I got a prime. I got what is it anyway? Short body. The